Saddle your steed, for today we ride! Cheers, mate. Beauty about being on a motorbike. Thank you. Texting as well. Both of them were texting each other. Right, you put go and I'll put stop. The old Ford dealership here haven't left. Know a lot of the old gentlemen that work there. A couple of good friends actually that I've lost touch with. Bloody hell, traffic's bad round here. But when you're on a bike and you can just filter through it how it's sound, innit? It does take many years of practice though, guys, to get to my level, so nobody kidding. Yeah, for those that's just doing the CBT, it comes with practice, does filtering, because they don't really talk much about it in your CBT, if I remember rightly. That long ago since I did mine, like my bike test and everything, but where would we be at roundabouts? Probably home by now. God, cheer up, love. Might not never happen. Might not never happen. Face like a bulldog looking piss off a nettle. So I'm going to take a right here, go through Royston that way. Could go to Wakey, just going out my way to come back on my sensor. I'll not bother. So that a bit wide. I couldn't be asked to put my foot down. I've been a bit lazy there. I didn't want to put my feet down. When we're coming to have a look at a car we're going to buy round here, a bit further up this road here to behind us, and Ramondeo. And in description and pictures look really nice, and I must admit, car did look quite nice, to be honest. Anyway, we started it up. I was smoking like a dragon, I swear down. He said it's only firing on 3 cylinders. Oh, that's no bleeding good. He was smoking its tits off. You know, I decided not to buy it, obviously. Right, to watch here because the crossroads, and I imagine this is a massive accident hotspot because it's a crossroads. So if you get somebody on a bike that's a bit, you know, it's bringing neck out of the bike and they're flying around here and something pulls out, then the toast, as I say. So I always slow down for that bit. You know, a staggered crossroad on a road like that. What was the Romans thinking? Didn't they realise there was going to be Hayabusas and BMWs, 1200cc's and under fire blades and stuff like that? Think about it, you Romans!
Hey YouTube, hope you enjoyed my Peak District adventure. Ride safe and I will see you soon.